In this GlowShift Gauges installation video, we'll show you how to install a GlowShift intake air heater plug adapter for your boost gauge into your 2001 to 2006 Duramax. When you're ready, grab your tools and we'll meet you in the garage. Removing the factory intake air heater assembly will cause the vehicle to display a check engine light. You'll need an automotive tuner to disable the code. For the purpose of this install, we'll be using a 2002 Duramax 6.6 liter to install our heater plug adapter. For safety, disconnect both negative battery terminals before starting any work on the vehicle. Use a 10mm socket to remove the boost sensor bolt. Carefully tuck the boost sensor out of the way. Use a 10mm socket to remove the intake air heater bolt and the power wire. Disconnect the opposite end of the power wire from the distributor assembly and use a zip tie to secure it away from the assembly. Use a 26mm socket to remove the intake air heater from the intake manifold. Place the intake air heater plug adapter into the manifold and tighten using a 27mm socket. Remove the plug from the adapter. Wrap the BOOSTLINE adapter with Teflon tape and place it into the heater plug adapter. Tighten using an 11mm wrench. Place the female brass fitting onto one end of the BOOSTLINE, followed by the brass ferrule fitting. Then connect it to the BOOSTLINE adapter and tighten using a 10mm wrench. Ensure the ferrule fitting is facing upward to prevent any leaks. Secure the BOOSTLINE with zip ties to keep it clear of any moving parts. Reinstall the boost sensor. Reconnect both negative battery terminals. You've now successfully installed your GlowShift intake air heater adapter into your truck. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.